Ever wonder how a seemingly ordinary printer can transform a simple digital model into a tangible, three-dimensional object? Welcome to the fascinating world of 3D printing, a technological marvel that's reshaping numerous industries from healthcare to fashion. In essence, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that creates three-dimensional objects from a digital file. It works by laying down successive layers of material until the object is complete. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly sliced cross-section of the eventual object. The first step in the 3D printing process involves the creation of a blueprint. This blueprint is a digital 3D model that can be created using computer-aided design, CAD software. Some adventurous souls might even use a 3D scanner to copy an existing object and create a 3D replica. Once the 3D model is ready, it's time to prepare it for the printer. This is known as slicing, a process that divides the 3D model into hundreds or thousands of horizontal layers. Slicing can be done using software on the computer or on the printer itself. The sliced file is then loaded into the 3D printer, ready for the magic to happen. The printer now starts creating the object layer by layer. Depending on the type of 3D printer, different materials can be used. Some machines use melted plastic, others use metal, and some even use chocolate or other food items. The material is precisely deposited onto the build platform according to the design, and layer by layer, from the bottom up, the object takes shape. The final step in the 3D printing process is the finishing touch. This can involve removing any support structures, smoothing rough edges, or applying paint or other finishes to the object. And voila, a digital idea transformed into a physical reality. To summarize, 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that involves creating a digital model, slicing it into layers, and then printing it layer by layer using a suitable material. The final step is to add the finishing touches to the printed object. This technology is not just reshaping industries, but also the way we think about design and production. From creating intricate jewelry pieces to printing human organs, the potential of 3D printing is immense. It's a technology that's taking us into a future where creating complex, customized objects might be as simple as hitting the print button. So the next time you see a 3D printed object, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of technology that brought it to life.